I give you my city tour of my island.
Making my sweet time feels right. Living in the moment, yeah. 'Cause I know where I'm going. I'm taking my sweet time. Each time. Sick and tired of seeing people always running in circles, chasing lies that never got them past the circle.
Welcome to Nassau, Bahamas. Alright, we're back in Nassau. You can see the allure of the seas behind us and the freedom of the seas. This is going to be another tour. We got a special tour today where we're taking what?
Carriage ride with the horses through the city.
Downtown Nassau carriage ride. And we got another video. We're going to show you the top 10 things to do in Nassau when you're visiting. But now, let's just get off this ship and go see Nassau. All right, we just got off the boat. I want to show you this downtown tour we're going to do. This is where the excursion places are. Just follow the way, follow these signs to get out to downtown Nassau. With 5 ships in port, it will get kind of crazy. And this has got to be one of the highlights, is this big screen. When you get off your ship, you can see it's right next to the cruise ships. But this screen changes all the time. And right here comes the octopus, which I got last time. Oh, those people better watch out. All right, if you walk right past here, this is where you're going to see across the street the horse and buggy rides right over here. Now we just got to get across the street.
What about seeing some of the island?
All right, this is the horse and buggy. All right, go ahead, get on that thing.
You doing the buggy, okay? I will camera your guys.
That's good. Oh my God, sorry, buddy. Oh, I guess he sits here to drive.
Big red.
All right, here we go. We're in downtown Nassau. This guy is going to give us a tour.
Shopping street. Shop till you drop or run out of money. Which one come first? Pink and white building with the green shutters. That's the Parliament building. That's where they make the laws and they break them. Statue of Queen Victoria. She was the first queen. Rossum Square, the gateway to the city. Scotia Bank, first Caribbean bank on the island. Gucci, Gucci for the hoochie. Everybody love Gucci.
Sweet time feels right. Living in the moment.
Yeah, you don't like the
Is that a little motivation?
Yeah, you don't like the big truck.
Oh, great. I'm getting scared
You don't
now.
like the big truck.
Oh, the big truck.
Oh. So this is what happened. This horse, Big Red, wasn't it Big Red?
Yeah.
Does not like the big truck, so he's got to be.
Yeah, you don't like the big truck.
But this is downtown Nassau. This is one of the top 10 things to do when you're visiting. Make sure you're watching that top 10 video, right? All right, welcome back to the channel. We're on a horse and buggy ride, right?
Yes.
In downtown Nassau. This guy's going to give us a complete tour here, but make sure we're going to show you everything fantastic to do here. All right, now we're past the big truck.
Big truck to stop. Yeah.
There we go. Now we're catching some speed. Oh shit.
One truck, that's the north. City buses, $1.25 each. Shoe wear, Hoppers and Sons, sports gear. Nightclub, they party in the nighttime.
Okay. You having fun, honey?
You got a restaurant and you got a bar.
Yeah. Oh, shit. I'm getting nervous for this damn horse.
Art and craft.
Oh no, it's a big truck.
Around here, Stone Mountain, them Shark Side.
How old are these houses?
1800.
1800s. That is
People still live in
crazy.
them. See the fruit tree?
Oh,
Red fruit.
yeah.
Boil it, cook it, and everything. It's good for the high blood pressure.
Oh, that's good to know.
Pink and white apartments, $12.50 a month. 2 bedroom, 1 bath. You
Wow.
got coconut trees, mango trees. See the attorneys at law, lawyer's office. You ever see a cotton on a tree?
Cotton?
Cotton on a tree. White
No.
cotton. Long cotton. See
Oh,
them there?
look.
Where at?
White
Oh, up
cotton.
in there? Yeah,
Right
you see
there.
that cotton?
Cotton tree, cotton balls, and everything on the island.
Cool.
See that? Attorneys at law, lawyer's office. Plenty lawyers on the island too. This street here,
Yeah.
Rockbridge Street. Anywhere you go is on the left side.
So yeah, this is definitely a historic tour of Nassau. We never did this. This is one thing that's new here for us.
Here, library house. Pediatrician.
Pediatrician, okay.
Doctor Hospital. That's a private hospital. That's where Ann and Nicole had a baby and her son died.
Oh, really?
$100 to register, $300 to see the doctor.
Huh.
Shirley Street, one-way street. Anywhere you go is on the left. Yeah.
That looks like an old building, huh?
Right here.
Yeah, look at
It's
that.
in the 1900s.
1900s.
See the front of the hospital?
Yeah.
That's a private one. See it on you, Ike? Insurance company.
Okay.
Sign man. He make all type of sign for you. Tom Collins, a bootlegger, a rum runner. That used to be his home.
Who?
He died, Tom Collins, a bootlegger,
Oh,
a
yeah?
rum runner. That used to be his home.
Okay.
They named the drink after him. But that's a museum right now. He died and the government take it over.
Huh.
Radio station.
Okay.
One engine jam. You can jam in 24/7.
What kind of music you like?
Reggae, calypso, a little bit of everything, you know?
Yeah?
Yes, sir. 700 wine and spirit. They want you to get drunk before you do your shopping. They say you'll spend more money.
You know Winston?
What it is?
A carver, Winston?
Yeah, I think so. I had a name before.
Yeah, he's we bought a few things from him down here.
All right.
So is this the public hospital?
Princess Margaret Hospital. $10 to see the doctor, $5 for the medicine. Christian citizens are free. 300 years old.
300 years old, that tree.
Beautiful.
Bahamas Historical Sites Museum.
Oh, yeah. I love the color of the buildings here.
Yes, sir. They like the bright colors, you know?
Yeah. It's like he's missing a gear. He's got to put it in gear.
That's the bank. Points Caribbean International.
Okay.
Offshore banking, money laundering. People come all around the world and hide it. American Embassy, that's the new one. You been in that?
Wow, that's huge. Is that brand new?
Brand new right there.
Okay.
Columbus House, attorney at the door to the church, Zion Baptist Church, founded in 1835. See the Octagon Church, used to be the first jailhouse.
Okay.
Jail got too small. Public library and museum. See the pink and white building?
Yeah.
It's the courthouse.
Courthouse right here.
Judge and parking only. This where the judges wear the white things.
I remember.
Who is usually in these black cars?
The judges,
Okay.
they owned by the government place.
We were here one time when they went flying down the road.
I mean, we get more than one jeep. We get jeeps like that, police jeeps too, you know?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. See, they get trucks, cars, and bicycles.
Police
Yeah.
station right there.
Police department. Don't want to go there. That's where all of them are. Yes, sir. See them there?
Oh, here they come.
Yeah. What's up? All of them around.
They're not looking for you, are they?
No.
All right.
No, I'm good. I'm the good guy.
You're the good ones.
Yes, sir.
We need more of you then.
Okay, man. That's what's up. I'm the guy who give you my city tour of my island.
Yeah.
Yes. Taxi cabs take you Atlantis. Ferry boats take you Atlantis. You get the pharmacy.
How much is the ferry to get to the Atlantis?
I think it's $5.
Oh, that's not bad. There's the Blue Lagoon Island boat.
Yeah.
We've been there a few times.
Everything is there. This is the coming up the end of your rides. It's $40. Anything else is up to you. I work on tips and commission if you're feeling up to it. That's how I make the day out.
As you can see, they got lots of horses. That was a quick tour of Nassau by horse and buggy. And it was the first time we ever did it. So again, put that on your list when coming to Nassau, because it was quite fun. And if you look behind these horses over here, where my wife is, you're gonna see in the top 10 Nassau things that we've done, that's the meeting point for the food tour. And make sure you're watching our Downtown Nassau tour, because it's a great place just to stroll around here. We're heading back to get you to the new place, the tour that we're gonna do of the brand new place in Nassau.
Feels right, living in the moment, yeah. 'Cause I know where I'm going. I'm taking my sweet